The Windows CRT Heap Manager DLL missing message means your code instructions are interrupted. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to fix your runtime environment now. To kick off the Windows CRT Heap Manager guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Windows CRT Heap Manager, part of the Universal C Runtime that handles localized memory heap management, malloc-free. Corruption in this file is a catastrophic failure that prevents virtually all modern applications from allocating memory, resulting in immediate application failed to initialize errors. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This problem is best fixed by reinstalling Windows Update UCRT. Head to Microsoft's official website, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable packages, and install them. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Windows CRT Heap Manager. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Windows CRT Heap Manager DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Windows CRT Heap Manager. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Windows CRT Heap Manager workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.